My name is Isaac Chameleon and I'm studying an IT T-level. And my favourite thing about the course is that it offers such a wide range of different things for us to learn in the course. So it makes me feel like when I leave the course I can go down as many different paths as I want in the IT sector. As part of the T-level, some of my favourite content areas that we've gone over have been looking into SQL coding. So we get given a set of different scenarios where it makes us feel as if we're really in the digital sector and working. Some of the new facilities in the T-levels have allowed us to use multiple monitors, and also they've allowed us to work with new emerging technologies such as VR and AR in our projects. AR is augmented reality, so it moves more so away from the principles of virtual reality, which is more based in entertainment, and moves more towards practical stuff that is typically used in fields such as medicine and training. I've really enjoyed working with my tutors, and I felt they've been really nurturing and helping me to grow in all the different areas I want to on the T-level course. After college, potentially looking at university. Again, that's the good thing about the T-level because it allows me to go straight into work if I want to, but also go into university or higher education. The reason I think you should study at this course is because of the teachers, the great facilities, and the great practical experience you can get from it.